How are we doing for soup? Ross?
We're good. We're good.
Are you sure?
Yep, positive.
The guests will now sample each team's appetizer. The red team's red snapper escovitch with ackee and jicama slaw, or the blue team's coconut cassava soup with spicy shrimp and crab.
Hi there, newlyweds.
Hi.
I've come in to see what you think of these two appetizers being served.
I really like the red team's ackee and red snapper. That, to me, it just tasted like my grandma's cooking on a Sunday.
I thought it was pretty authentic in terms of the taste. The plating was very nice as well.
As you can see, I practically finished it already. I'm still working on the soup from the Blues team, but I just wish there was a little bit more of a punch, a little bit more spice.
Fantastic. Thank you both. Hi, ladies.
Hello.
What do you think of the blue appetizer?
I loved it.
I found it a little bland. I'm not gonna lie.
You got the red appetizers.
The ackee is very, very explosive when you eat it. It's really, really good.
The red dish is very flavorful. Fish was very delicate. I really liked the blue plate. It was savory. I would go with the blue dish.
Back in the kitchen, the home cooks are rushing to get their final plates out.
Quick, guys, quick.
But the blue team has hit a snag.
That's not good. I'm out of soup. How many do we need? About 20.
You serious?
We are out of soup. I don't know if I can stretch the soup.
Start making more.
Pour it back in there and just extend it.
Get coconut milk, I'll figure it out. We have no choice. We take the leftover soup, add coconut milk, shrimp stock, and that's it.
Here you go, done.
This is it? These three here?
That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it. All right.
Okay, there's exactly
Hey,
enough.
help, quick,
Yeah,
quick,
I know,
quick.
go on.
Yeah, please.
Here you are. Thank you. Thank you.
It's cold.
The red plate was better, much better.
With the appetizers all served, both teams are now scrambling to make up for lost time on their entrees.
Guys, we have 1 hour to pump this out. We gotta get on it.
Get that meat cooking, guys.
So far, we haven't really had time to think about the second course because we've been just working hard to get the first one out.
White potatoes to thicken, right?
I don't think we have white.
Dice up some sweet potatoes.
Again, we're following Andre's input.
I'm doing the dumplings right now. So we're making stewed beef and dumpling, but we're way behind. Alyssa's just starting to cut this tenderloin, and I'm just starting to get the flour needed for these dumplings. Stew it up, Tony.
Okay, you guys, focus. Who's on chicken?
I'm on chicken. I got it.
Our entree is a jerk chicken with beans and salsa.
I need you to start prepping dragon fruit and pineapple for the salsa.
Okay.
After the stressful end to the appetizer service, we need to work quicker and we need to make sure we have enough.
Okay, 15, right?
I really just wanted one person to own the chicken, and Josh is awesome. He's
Right?
kind of just head down, doing his thing. Oh, I'm so happy I have Josh on my team.
The chicken is in there.
Okay.
It is in there.
Can you start Can you start grilling some?
I am on the chicken. Don't worry about the chicken. It's my only job is to cook this chicken. All I keep thinking is don't ruin this lovely bride's wedding.
Oh, Josh.
Oh, Josh just dropped an entire tray of chicken. Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay, bud. It's okay.
Do we have extra chicken? Is there extra chicken?
I'm panicking. I'm like, do we have enough chicken? Can we count?
192, 93, 94, 95, 96, 100.
I count, Josh, I only counted 115.
Okay, so I got those ones right there.
115,
So we
16,
should be good.
17, 18, 19, 21,
Colin,
22.
how many?
122 if my count's right.
That's the exact amount.
I know.
Oh my God, you guys, we had the exact amount.
The blue team, they still got to grill all those chickens, make sure they're cooked, and there's only salsa to do 30 portions.
We still got a load to go.
30 minutes! You only have 30 minutes left!
There are also problems in the other kitchen where the red team is struggling with their beef stew.
Andre, it has no flavor at all, none whatsoever.
Black pepper, salt, onion powder, get those in. I know my team wants me to be at 5 places at one time, but I can't right now. I mean, nobody else can do the dumplings. Do what you gotta do, man. Honestly, we just gotta pump out things now.
Jenny,
Yeah?
can you season this for me?
I toss in onions, garlic, every spice I can find. And I say, please, God, cook this stew and make it taste good.
The red team, they got 3 people around the pot, and 1 person making the dumpling. That is not good time management.
Let me grab some salt, okay?
You only have 10 more minutes left. 10 minutes! Service will be coming to pick up.
We're not gonna get this done. Keep going.
Josh, what are you doing right now?
Just making more jerk sauce.
We gotta move a little faster.
I'm getting very worried. I think both teams right now are starting to slip. This is someone's wedding night. Without our help, they will never get there. All right, Tony, get a cover on that.
It's tasting better, Tony.
Tasting better,
Tastes great.
Okay, I want you to take some vegetables. Beautiful banana peppers here.
Chef Claudio comes up next to me and he's like a samurai with his swords, chopping all these vegetables.
Have you counted the chicken?
Yes, chef.
Make sure every single piece the same, all right?
Yes, for sure, chef.
Okay, here you go, chef. Here you go, chef.
Let's go.
Thank you very much.
It's a dream come true to be working with these guys. You know what I mean? They're great chefs. It's exhilarating.
All right, who's faster at chopping pineapple? The answer is me.
Chef Michael is boosting morale. We're on a high.
Yes.
All right, come on. The service is coming.
Quick, come on.
This plate. Finish strong.
Thank you.
Is there any stew that is ready?
Yes, there's stew.
Okay.
The plates are going out. We have a stew that I can't believe we made in 40 minutes. And it's not the prettiest, but it still tastes great.
For the entree, the red team's dish is a Jamaican beef stew with boiled dumpling and coleslaw. The blue team is serving jerk chicken with beans and greens.
I did not enjoy my first bite of the red plate. It's missing a lot of flavor. And the blue plate, the chicken was cooked perfectly. It was nice and moist.
I'm really digging the jerk seasoning as well.
What I like most about the red dish is found the beef kind of tender. It was soft. I like that.
What I liked in the red plate was the dumpling. It was very good. Almost like Granny.
I think the blue team had a best main course.
For me, it's literally right here.
As the wedding draws to a close, there's one final announcement to be made.
All right, the winner by just 3 votes.
Holy cow. I am very, very nervous.
3 votes. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Is...
What a relief. I can't freaking believe it.
I want to cry right now. I mean, we won.
Oh my God.
Yes!
I don't understand how we pulled this off, but I'm sure glad we did.